Hi everyone, this is Aaron, and today we're going to take a look at the texting on these different phones. So what we have is an HTC Surround for Windows Phone 7, an iPhone 4, and it actually has a carved skin on it, a hickory carved skin. If you want to see that, check out my other video on the unboxing of that and review to come soon, or maybe out at this time. The LG Ally and the Samsung Continuum, two Android phones, similar but different, slightly different UIs, so as far as the way they look. So I thought I'd show you that. So let's first start with the Windows Phone 7 phone. If you have a message, it will let you know here. Right now I have one email, but it'll let you know there's one text message as well. Slide to unlock. If I have a text, see it's got like a sad face there. If I have a text, it will actually have a smiley, and as you get more text, the mouth opens and it has a number next to it for the amount of text. So if we go into messaging, here's different conversations. This is one I had with my brother when I was using this phone. And the conversations kind of threaded, and it has what I said or what my brother said. It gives the day and the time. Thursday, and we can go way back. And it starts to label them with the date. We have some options at the bottom. We can delete the conversation. We can also do an attachment. And we can pick from our camera roll, or we can take a picture by hitting the button to take a picture with, and take a picture and include that in here, and I guess we can just do that quick. Okay, we'll accept that. We'll put it into the message, and then I can say hello. And I can't send it right now because I don't have my SIM card in this phone. It's actually in my iPhone. So that's, how it goes for now. But anyway, that's pretty much it with that. As far as the messaging goes, very simple, very efficient. If we want to start a new conversation, we can do that by hitting the plus and searching our contacts by typing the name. It will actually pop up the different names. If I type in my name, it will say Aaron. ICE is for in case of emergency, and then I can message multiple people by searching my contacts this way as well. I guess we'll, we can scroll through our contacts, pick somebody, and then it will put them in the contact list and message multiple people at once. So that's pretty much it for the Windows Phone 7. When you receive a message, it actually makes a sound, but it doesn't do anything other than that. Let's go into the iPhone. You can see I have a text message here. It's actually from this phone, and it just says hi. And it leaves a 1 here. So let's go ahead and go into the message, and it's just me saying hi. I have some messages here at the top with the pre-existing conversation. I have call. I can call the number. I have FaceTime if they have an iPhone 4 or a Mac that supports FaceTime. I can also add a contact into this conversation. I also have some other options here to edit. I can delete the different parts of the conversation, which is nice, or I can clear all at the top. I also have another option down here for the camera. I can choose an existing photo or take a photo or video, and we can just pick there or take a photo right now, and I'll show you what that looks like. We'll take a photo, switches over to the camera. We'll take a quick photo of that phone. We can say use. Dumps it in there. I can say hi and hit send. It takes a moment to send, and that's it. It does not, it threads these messages with different people. I can go back and look at them, but it does not tag the whole message as a whole. It only tags it as, it only tags the message as partial as far as the date and time are concerned. It kind of groups them together around the time they were texted back and forth. You can see this was September 21st, 2010 at 6:30 p.m. Then it jumps to December 18th. It does not tag them individually. So that's text messaging on the iPhone 4. Let's move over to the LG Ally. Turn this on. So we have messaging here, and let's go into that. Now here's a text from myself, and we'll go back here. Text from myself, it's actually threaded by the time, and if the conversations were to go back further, it would thread them by different dates as well, but I don't have that much text, many text on here. So it does show my name, my picture, pulled from Facebook, I believe, and we can go into here. And here's a draft I can send. That's a picture I'm sending to my iPhone. And I can start new conversations. I can also go and tap on my name, and I have the ability to call, go into contacts, or message again. I can also hit the menu button here at the bottom. We'll go into Compose, hit the menu button, and we have Call, View Contact, Add Subject, Attach, Insert Smiley, and more. So we can insert quick text, delete thread, or all threads. And that was that picture coming in from the ALI going to this phone. So it shows up here, and it will keep blinging or beeping until you check it and do this. So not just a little notification system. Here we have notifications at the top, just like you do with email. So you can insert quick text, delete thread, or all threads. So pretty much the same options, only you have some smileys, some extra options, things like that. So we'll go back to Home. Now, we'll go to the Samsung Continuum because this phone's a little bit different, and then it has the second screen on the bottom and has the Galaxy S interface that's on all the Galaxy S phones. So again, you'd get your notifications up here. Had you got a text up here, that's the notice sound you'd get. Let's go into messaging. Here's the different names, myself, my brother. Let's go into my own contact. There's my contact, and it says, hi, hi. It's by the time and date. Each message says that, and it's threaded. Again, we have the options here, which look identical to the LGs. When you receive a text, it actually shows up down here, though, and blinks that as a notification, also as well as puts it up in this drawer up here. So pretty much the same exact options, but just has a little extra notification and has a little bit more polish around some of the different pictures and things. Other than that, it's the identical options. So that's a quick overview between Windows Phone 7, iPhone, and Android in how their texting works. If you have any other questions I haven't answered or anything I haven't covered, obviously I miss some things sometimes, but I think that's the basics that gives you a good idea how it works on each phone. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to do so. And thanks for subscribing. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.